Why the smart machine? Because the material getting more and more expensive, so only the smart machine can solution the problem.
Being one of the major global players in the woodworking machinery industry, Taiwanese manufacturer has been service customers since early 90s.
Taiwanese company is focused on the manufacturing the machine. They are lack of the provision skill.
In addition, we can deliver much better machine pricing and performance compared to other leading brands.
And then you can use your iPhone, iPad or laptop to monitor your production situation.
How to deliver the best quality and user experience.
Customer service is very important.
When the time goes on, we will always offer the right product and the timely assistance to support our customers.
To innovate our machines to be user-friendly and become a standard equipment in every furniture factory.
We welcome you to visit the Wood Taiwan Show. See you soon.
Good morning and a very good day to my fellows online. This is the new episode of the Wood Taiwan Market Outlook webinars, promoting made in Taiwan woodworking machineries and tools, especially for the ASEAN and Australian market. I'm your host, Alex Lai. In this webinar, executives from 4 companies and associations specialized in the woodworking industry will tell you their latest products and services, sharing insight to win business with you together. Before that, Director Su of Taiwan Trade Center Sydney will deliver her welcome remarks in this following video.
Hello, I'm Lily Su, the Director of the Taiwan Trade Center Sydney. It's my great pleasure to welcome your participation in this webinar, promoting made in Taiwan woodworking machinery, from sewing to jointing and sanding machines. This webinar belongs to a series event of Wood Taiwan Digital Days, with an aim at connecting Taiwanese manufacturers with you, growing business together via the web. In the following time, we will have 4 executives presenting from services, products, and solutions. Cliff Zhang, Standing Director of TWMA, Taiwan Woodworking Machinery Association, who is also the GM of SK Global, will brief the latest digital buyer guide and directory from TWMA. Hongxiang Industrial, also branded as Sower, will show its wide range of wood cutting saws for versatile purposes. Zhenguang Machinery, specialized in production of planers and jointers, will introduce the fully auto finger jointing line. And Sandy, a wood sanding expert capable of roll sanding and sealer sanding, will show you its advanced high-quality sander, SLH2RB. According to the trade map statistics published by the International Trade Center, Taiwan has shipped $730 million of machinery for woodworking to the world in 2020, ranking as number 4 exporter in this category. The value exported to Asia was $156 million, and led to Australia was around $10 million. Given Australia imported $123 million of woodworking machinery from the world, Taiwan's number represented 8% of the pie, and it was also Australia's number 4 supplier in this category. There exist great opportunities to grow business among us through this networking. Tailored to customers' needs, Taiwan's machines enjoy a great reputation for high quality, reliability, and quick response to users' business demands after late sales. Besides, Taiwan is also known for her comprehensive supply chain and cross-sector integration. With this, let's fix our eyes on their presentations and expected your attendance at Wood Taiwan in 2022. Thank you for your joining today. Wish you keep healthy and safe.
Thank you, Director Su from Taiwan Trade Center, Sydney. Wood Taiwan has been rescheduled due to the pandemic. Organizers TWMA and Taiwan cherish this engagement with you. Cliff Zhang, Standing Director of TWMA, who is also the General Manager of SK Global Corporation, will brief you about the community of woodworking machines in Taiwan and the current development of its virtual showroom. Let's welcome Cliff.
Hello, good morning, and good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Cliff Chan. I'm Standing Director of TWMA, Taiwan Woodworking Machinery Association. Today, with great honor and pleasure, I'm going to talk about our Wood Taiwan 2022 show preview. Today, we talk about our Taiwan woodworking machinery industry location and our International Woodworking Machine Show. Here we can see we have nearly 300 companies and our members. Almost 80% of them, they are located in central part of Taiwan. It's called Taichung City. In the north, Taipei is mainly for ICT industry. In the south of Taiwan, Kaohsiung is mainly for petrochemical and steel industry. So in this big industrial zone, Taichung City, when you produce our woodworking machine here, we have several advantages. We produce very high quality products and with competitive price. And our production is very flexible, so we can have very quick delivery, and we can do also the customization. If you look at here, you can see that Taiwan is the world's #4 largest exporter for woodworking machinery. Back to 2015 and 2018 and 2020. Every year we have tremendous growth for export. Last year we already reached around $700 million US. That's a great deal. And here we can see the top 10 exporting countries of Taiwan woodworking machinery in 2020. Like USA, China, Canada, and Vietnam, which occupy almost 80% of our market share. And after that is like Germany, Australia, Japan, Indonesia. It's about 2% to 1%. And the rest of the market is like in Southeast Asian countries. And nowadays, we are trying to develop and promote more in the Middle East and African countries. Everybody knows that in 2013, Germany has announced Industrial 4.0. And Taiwan is trying to follow this trend. So here we have 4 sections. Number 1, Taiwan woodworking machine. We do the automation. So we develop automated equipment and we can integrate all the product lines together. Second is the digitization. We do the data analysis and cloud computing. And we also connect our machine together to become Internet of Things. Third is the intelligent solutions. We help our customer to produce their product and increase efficiency, and they can reduce the cost as well. Finally is the customization. As I mentioned earlier, that Taichung is a big industrial zone. So with this supply chain, we can do customized products. The COP26, the weather climate change meeting is already finished in Glasgow, UK. So everybody is trying to reduce the carbon dioxide and also use the sustainable energy. So our Taiwan woodworking machinery is thriving on green manufacturing as well. This exhibition is going to be held in Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center, hall number 1, during the days April 26th to May 1st in 2022. And we have nearly 1,200 booths, which is equal to 10,800 square meters, including 190 exhibitors. This page here, we can see the world-class player who already registered. The left side, you can see many is from Europe and USA, and right side is our famous Taiwanese manufacturer and supplier. This time, we are going to highlight our Wood Taiwan. We try to expand category like hand tools, wood panels and boards. And apart from the traditional machine, we also do the automation and intelligent solutions. So this equipment and digital technology to provide intelligent solution. In the meantime, we will invite many famous speakers for our latest woodworking machinery technology development in our Wood Taiwan Forum. We can see Taiwan is like the heart of the world. So when we ship to North America, Australia, New Zealand, Korea, Japan, China, and Russia, and Africa, it's very easy. And you are more than welcome to source any kind of woodworking machinery in Taiwan. Again, I would like to welcome you to come to Wood Taiwan during April 28th and May 1st, 2022. Okay, so this is the second topic. I'm going to talk about our virtual showroom. So here's the entrance, the lobby of our virtual showroom. We have sponsors here, we have participators here, and we have W team. On the left side, you can see is our 2018 woodworking machinery show video. And on the right side, you can see the promotion of our Wood Taiwan next year. And we can see many records of the photos and albums. And we can see the export statistics and our exhibition in the world and our contact of TWMA. We have 7 sponsors in 2021. Thanks for these sponsors. As I mentioned earlier, that we have nearly 300 members. So these are all the participators of this virtual showroom. Okay, this is the W team. This is also sponsored by our government. We get subsidies from the government to create different teams with different machines together in order to produce the product in automation line. So compared to the traditional website, we have many advantages for this virtual showroom. It looks very 3-dimensional and it's very alive. So when you visit our virtual showroom, it's like when you visit an exhibition hall. And we can have company and machine tour, and we can have free call and talk at any time. But if you have time difference with Taiwan, we can also make a reservation. So before visiting the real exhibition, you can have a look at our virtual showroom. You can save time and money. So I will make a demonstration for the company tour and machine tour later. Free call and talk at any time. So I'm gonna make a very brief demonstration for you so you can understand better. You can type also www.twma.org.tw/showroom. Okay, this is the entrance of our virtual showroom. See, it's totally different from our traditional website. So we click the sponsors here. For example, we will have a company tour. You can show your company as well. You enter the main office and go to maybe the smart manufacturing room. And you can go to the showroom. Next is the machine tour example. You can have the video, you can see the 3D animation, and you can see all the machine photo in real and all the specification. Here is very interesting. You can see that we try to make time and days so you can reserve when you want to talk with the supplier. Just simply leave your name and email and submit. You can make a phone call at any time. So the supplier will guide you. Like now, I'm making an example call. So when I receive this phone call, I can guide the buyer to see all our machine. See how this is very interesting, right? Okay, thank you everybody for watching and listening.
Thank you, Cliff. The next is Curtis Deng, Sales Manager of Hongxiang Industrial Corporation. Hongxiang, also branded as Sawyer, has a long history in making the cutting band saws and customized sewing machines since 1984. It is one of the wood sewing experts in Taiwan. Let's hear more about Hongxiang's application and solutions. Curtis, you have the spotlight.
Hello, everyone. This is Curtis Deng from Sawyer Machinery. Our company started about 1984, and we are working on special machine. So right now, we have a 3 points for special machine. First is a two-headed pencil. Second is a multi-head pencil. Third is a small dot, the 35 pencil. Anybody cannot hear me? So for the two-headed pencil, we can do engineer drawing, musical instruments, and the multi-layer of interior furniture. Let's play video. Okay, with the cutting pencil, our advantage, we only have a 1.2 millimeter saw curve. Compared with the circular saw, we save the material. Okay, let's see the second. It's a multi-head pen saw. For the multi-head pen saw, we have the horizontal type and the vertical type. For the horizontal type, you can choose one head to the 6 heads. For the vertical, you have a single or two pencils. This machine is good for saving water. For example, you have a 2-head pencil, you can cut 2 times with 1 pass. So you save 2 people. Then, next is the small log processing line, which is custom machine. We talk with the customer to see what the customer needs. Then we develop the machine. Let's play video. Okay. For the small log processing line, we have 2 different. For this line, it's for our Indonesia customer. Also, we have a different machine. So, for example, for the first machine, we can have a twin vertical pencil for cut left and right side. Then next, it is 40 pixels, something like that. For this line, also, we just save the customer time and the workers. And this is our company information. If you have any questions, see our website or email us. We will be very happy to reply you soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Curtis. After him, we have Ethan Tu, Sales Manager of Zhengguang Wood Machinery Works Corporation, CKM. CKM has been producing planners and jointers since 1966. It has more than 1,000 machines deployed around the world, including finger jointers, 4 side planners, and polishing machines. Ethan will tell us about CKM's account and how it could benefit your business. Ethan, you have our time.
Hi, thank you, Mr. Eli's introduction. And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ethan Tu. I'm here to present to you our smart manufacturers of finger joint lights. And before I do so, I would like to briefly introduce CKM company to you. CKM company full name is called Zhenguang Woodworking Machinery Works, and it was established in 1966. We are located in Taichung, Taiwan, and we have 55 years of history of making woodworking machinery. And our current product lineup is we have not only finger joint line, we have planers, jointers, and light duty 4-side motor. And for jointers, we have 3 models. And for planers, we have 4 models. For the light duty 4-side motor series, we have 2 models. And for the finger joint lines, for today's topics, we have been building finger joint lines for over 41 years history. And then we have building a finger joint line starting from manual up to fully automatic, and also the vertical type and the horizontal type. And for the traditional finger joint machines, as we know that we need every operate machines in front of for the fully automated for the traditional machines, we need one person operate 1 machine. And as you can see on the work flow chart, you need at least 3 to 4 operators to run the machines. And not only that, for the working speed, it also only have 2 to 3 cycles a minute. Let's play videos. I'll show you what it is. See on the video, you can see there's 4 operators stand in front of the production line, and mostly they are used men to operate the machine because you need to carry the product into the shapers and carry out the products from the press. And it's very slow. You see, it's hydraulic type, and it's running very, very slow. So because of these, we realize that nowadays labor is very hard to find, and salary costs are getting more higher. So in year 2000, we have developed our system and upgraded to the high capacity, fully automatic finger jointing light. It not only increased the speed from 2 to 6, and also reduced the operators from 4 down to 2 operators. Let's play the video. See on this video, you can see we use conveyor type to get the products into the press. See, only 2 ladies can operate these machines. So there's no middleman in between the shapers. So you use conveyor type to transfer from one shaper to the other. And not only that, we also use a flipping tables to get in the material from the shaper to the press. So there's also no middleman in between the shapers and the press. Okay, not only the vertical machines that we have upgraded, developed to fully automatic line, also the horizontal type products we have also upgraded to the high capacity horizontal finger jointing line. And let's play the video. So if your product is mainly horizontal type, and this is the right machine for you, because it can produce the product up to 120 pieces a minute. Output is seven pieces a minute. That's the finger jointing machines. Like I say, we know that the operators are very hard to find nowadays. So in 2 years ago, we have developed a new product called stackers that is placed at the back of the press, which can reduce the two operators to just simply carry on and off the products after the press. And we use a touch screen to operate it. So you can let's play the videos and I'll show you what it is. See on the video, you can see that normally you will place operators at the back of the press to just simply carry the output out of the press. But with this stacker, you can just reduce those operators. The speed is around 50 pieces to 20 pieces in minutes, or 2 to 3 layers. This is go one layer, and in 1 minute you can pick up around 2 to 3 layers a minute. And as we know that finger joint is the length of a finger joint is different. So in order to let operator to set up the position more easier, so we use a touch screen to set up the position. Let's play the video. See, once you type in the position where you want to pick up your product with the length of your materials, and once you type in, and the pickup head will automatically go to the position where you set up. Very easily. So, and with all the machines that combine together with fully automatic plus stackers, and this year we upgraded to a fully automatic line with everything together that can help you to reduce the operators from 4 to just 1. And at the back of the product, just kind of simply use a forklift to pick it up. And let's play the video. Let me show you. Hey, see, after this video, with these machines, you can really minimize your waste and maximize your profit. So if you have more questions about finger jointing line or any products that we made, please feel free to contact me at this information that I show on the screen. And also on your right hand side of your screen, you can see Handout. And in Handouts, you can also download my information there. And last but not least, next year, Taiwan Woodworking Association and Taichua are hosting great trade shows in Taiwan. The time is April 28th to May 1st, 2022. And I will be there in the show, and CKN will have booths there. So please please come to visit us next year at the Wood Taiwan show. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for listening.
Ethan, thank you. Last but not the least, Selina Wei will tell us about Sellita Industries business. Established in 1992, Sellita has built a variety of sanding machines for flat surface, irregular curve surface, linear profile, 3D curve sanding, grooves, and wood grains. Selina is in charge of its overseas business, and she will tell us more about their experiences.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Selina. My name is Selena. I'm here to introduce our company and our product before starting. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for allowing me to show you what is special about Solidas. And then here is today's agenda. I will explain according to the following context. And Solidas industry was established in 1992 and has manufactured various surface sanding machines for more than 30 years. We produce not only woodworking machine but also metalworking machine for OEM business. Firstly, I would like to introduce our woodworking sanding machine. This is our heavy-duty type of the woodworking machine. Our H2RB is an advanced sander that is proficient in sanding various types of panel. The main idea of the H2RB is avoid the main disadvantage of all today no drum-based drum brush sanding machine. Those who generally work with a sanding drum are only in a tiny area in touch with the workpiece. So our H2RB sanding belt including 96 sanding street and provide a wide sanding area in touch with the workpiece. So this machine reach all edge and leave no dead corner. The adjustable sanding option on PLC help the operator to see the machine to their special sanding requirement. And then I would like to show you guys this machine. So let's play a video for H2RB. And then I would like to introduce you guys our Moodin Sanding 300 series. The Moodin Sander 300 series are very well developed products, providing 8 functioning heads. Also, the Moodin Sander 300 series linear brush sander is designed to help with you guys everyday linear profile sander needs. It can be used for white wood sanding and cellular sanding for linear parts such as molding, flooring, furniture components, and the window part. The machine works well as a standalone unit as part of the finish line. So the next, I would like to show you guys this machine's details. So let's play a video. And then I would like to introduce our metalworking machine. And this is our heavy-duty type of metalworking machine. The rotary deburring machine is the most advanced system in current industry. The RRA rotary brush machine is an automatic machine for deburring, finish, edge, laser oxide removal, and heavy slag removal. Also can process deburring work for different shapes or thickness metalwork at the same time. So I would like to show you guys about more detail for our RA. So let's play a video now. Thank you. And then for this part is our SO948. This high efficiency economic model is subject to deburring middle sheet surface. This machine is very easy to operate. You just need to ensure your workpiece size and the adjustable common belt, and then you can easy to operate. So also this machine is delivered with a 9-inch wide common belt. So let's play a video now. And then the last part is our MT30. This machine is very, very user-friendly manual deburring machine. This has 2 hands. Legs can be fitted with various type of abrasive sticks. The abrasive sticks including different type of pad and a brush for deburring, edge rounding, finish, laser oxide removal, and the heavy slag removal. Also with 180-degree rotating shape. It's quick and easy to switch different consumables. And once again, thank you guys for giving me this opportunity to hear in this morning. If you have interest in our product, so please feel free to contact us. Also, the right side have a layout, and the layout also have our company information. Thank you.
Selena, you have a very beautiful voice, and we thank you for your presentation. And while we are inviting the speakers back to this room, you can leave a message on the chat board, just at the right side of the panel. And the time is running short, but we still have, would like to have a very quick Q&As. So please leave your message on the chat board. Here was one question. I think this one is for the CKM. Yes, for Ethan. Can the stacker locate the length? Is this speed? And what's the maximum length of the FJ?
Yes. The first question. This stacker doesn't have the length locating function yet, but it's something we will develop. So this stacker is for now just picking up the wood stick out of the press. It's kind of simply pick up and make a big package. So it doesn't have the less locating function yet. And this is not the actual speed because the speeds can be adjusted from maximum around 25 pieces per minute. So it can be adjusted, depends on the press, the speed of the press. And the last question you say is that the length of the finger joint is normally 6 meters, but we can customize to 9 meters or 12 meters long, depends on your request.
Ethan, we thank you for answering back to this question. And the next one, I think this is for Curtis. Curtis, the question was, what's the difference? You're a good company, Sawyer's thin cutting band saws to thin cutting frame saw. This question for Curtis.
For the machine, the difference between the band saw and the frame saw is the processing speed. With the band saw machine, our cutting speed is faster than the frame saw. Also, it's also more friendly to use. It means easier to use, easier to change everything.
And we have a question for Cliff that is regarding to the exhibition. And so Cliff, what can our the audience expect to see in the coming woodworking machinery trade show the next year? Please, Cliff.
All right. Hello, everybody again. As per my presentation, in Taiwan, we not only produced a single individual machine, but we try to integrate the material handling all together. So this time is quite different. We will show you the technology and how we can do all our smart manufacturing. So it's going to be very different from the exhibition happened before in Taiwan. Thank you.
Thank you, Cliff. Ethan, one more question. I think this is the last for today's grade. What is the maximum staking size of your staker, and how many packs of timber can this staker hold on the outfit tag convoy?
Oh, okay. That's good questions. The stackers can be packed maximum 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters square. And every time you can pack two packages, like two big package, 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters at the outfit conveyor. So it's very convenient.
Ethan, thank you. And
thank you.
Our friends online, because the time we just already passed the 1 hour original schedule, but you may find on the right side the handout. You can have each contact of our presenters here, and very welcome to leave the message, even your queries, and we will come back to you after this webinar. And thank you for watching this webinar. We look forward to meeting you face-to-face in Taipei, April 28th, the next year at the Wood Taiwan Trade Show. And before that, we all wish you very well and to see you very soon. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.